How to turn $100 into $1,000. The smart way. What if I told you that the $100 in your pocket right now could grow into $1,000 without winning the lottery or taking crazy risks? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the secret, it's not. The path to multiplying your money is simpler than you think, but only if you're ready to act. Stick around because I'm about to share the exact steps to make it happen. And trust me, you don't want to miss step 3. Most people don't realize this. $100 isn't just pocket change, it's potential. But here's the problem. While some people invest and grow their money, others spend it on things they'll forget in a week. And the difference? Wealth building versus wasted opportunity. So, what side are you on? Quick question. How many iced lattes does $100 buy? About 20, right? Now imagine if instead of coffee, you turn those lattes into something that pays you back. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with high-yield investments. First, put that $100 into a high-growth vehicle. For beginners, micro-investing platforms like Acorns or Robinhood are game changers. Think ETFs or fractional shares of big companies. For instance, if you invest in an S&P 500 ETF, your money grows as the market grows. Historically, that's an average of 10% per year. Remember, the key isn't to get rich quick, it's to get rich smart. But investing isn't enough on its own. How do you scale it to $1,000? Here's how. Step 2. Side hustles to multiply earnings. Pair your investments with a side hustle. Use that extra time scrolling TikTok or watching Netflix to freelance, sell digital products, or flip items on platforms like eBay. Did you know some people turn $20 thrift finds into $200 profits? That's your $1,000 goal getting closer. Think you're too busy? Fun fact, Beyoncé has the same 24 hours in a day. No excuses, right? Step 3. Reinvest your profits. Here's the game changer. Reinvest everything you earn. Whether it's dividends from your ETF or side hustle profits, let that money work for you. It's like planting seeds. The more you reinvest, the bigger your financial forest grows. This is the power of compounding in action. But there's one step people often overlook, and it's the difference between $1,000 and being stuck at $100. Step 4. Leverage skills for high-value returns. Here's the kicker. Invest in yourself. Use part of that $100 to buy an online course, learn a skill like graphic design, or start a blog. Skills increase your earning potential exponentially. Remember, you don't just want more money, you want sustainable growth. Still think turning $100 into $1,000 takes too long? The next step speeds things up. Step 5. Create passive income streams. Once you hit $1,000, it's time to let your money make money. Start small by investing in dividend stocks or creating a digital product that earns while you sleep. The beauty of passive income is that it grows with or without you, and that's how wealth is built. You see, turning $100 into $1,000 isn't about luck. It's about strategy. The real question is, are you ready to start? Remember, the sooner you begin, the faster your money works for you. Want to see how compounding supercharges this strategy? Watch our next video on the power of compounding. Subscribe to Invest Spark to join a community focused on building wealth the smart way. Your future self will thank you.